The world is full of things to explore, and we gain an understanding about our world through sight, taste, touch. But sometimes our senses don't give us all the information we want. Now, there's a solution that can help identify things around you with the click of a button. Introducing LinkSquare SDK, a portable spectrometer and development kit. LinkSquare uses visible light to determine the exact colors of objects, and it uses near-infrared light to detect their molecular makeup. Included in your LinkSquare SDK is a LinkSquare spectrometer, a user's guide, a set of sample color chips, USB charging cable, and spectral data collection software. Connect LinkSquare to a Windows PC using Wi-Fi. Next, place the LinkSquare in contact with the object of interest. Then, press the button on the side of the spectrometer. LinkSquare will gather data on how the object responds to light and transforms the data into a spectrum graph. As a developer, you'll be able to use the graphs you collect to create applications for personal use. You can create apps to distinguish between medications, validate the authenticity of gemstones, and much more. LinkSquare can be deployed in a wide range of fields such as research, pharmacy, education, food, and environmental studies. Stratio's engineers have tested the software, prototyped the hardware, and selected manufacturing partners. All that's missing is you. Small spectrometer, big possibilities. LinkSquare SDK. Stratio.
What's that? It's a puzzle. Cool. Would you like to play? Yeah. This should go here. Yes. Okay. Next. What are you guys doing? Oh, we're doing a puzzle. Oh, yeah! Let's play this, guys. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Introducing BlueSmart, the first carry-on that connects to your smartphone with revolutionary features, including a digital lock, proximity sensors, location tracking, trip tracking information, a built-in digital scale, and if that wasn't enough, a built-in battery that can charge your phone 6 times over. Designed for today's sophisticated traveler. And even guys like this. Pull the handle, and the app will tell you the exact weight of your carry-on so that you never have to check it because you pack too much. God knows what a suitcase has to go through. Forget about keys or combinations. Control the lock from the app. And if for any reason you need to part ways with your BlueSmart, worry not, it will automatically lock itself. Life's too short to fight for an outlet. BlueSmart will recharge your electronic devices with our super powerful built-in battery. So relax. BlueSmart will alert you if you ever leave it behind, or if it finds a new friend. And if it's ever lost, you'll be able to track its location. You will breeze through airport security thanks to easy access to your electronic devices. With BlueSmart, anyone can travel smart. Even this guy.